Hello, I'd like to show you how to download and install processing on your home computer. So the first thing we'll do is just do a search for download processing. I've got that spelled wrong, but Google figured it out. And it should be the first link. And then the first decision you have to make here is do we want to download the 64-bit version or the 32-bit version? So from reading on some forums, they normally recommend the 32-bit version for compatibility. So I've already downloaded that, so I'll just open my downloads, show in folder, and if you're wondering how I got that screen quickly, I just hit Control-J on the keyboard. And when you download it, you'll see that it's downloaded as a zip file. So to extract the contents of the zip file, you can right-click, and then depending on what you have installed on your computer, you might get an extract option. In my case, I have 7-zip installed, so I just chose extract here. And then in my case, it extracted to this folder processing-353, where 353 is the version number that I downloaded. And then inside that folder, the file that we're interested in is called processing.exe. So you can go ahead and double click on that to run it. Or for convenience, what I'm going to do is I'm going to right drag it to my desktop. So let's just minimize everything, and then I will right drag, and when I let go I'll get an option to create shortcut here, so I'll choose that, and I'll just go ahead and rename the shortcut to processing and put it where I like, and then of course just double click it to run it.